Toastmaster International Public Speaker, a motivational speaker, life skills coach, and a training facilitator. So let's welcome Saurabh Lohani, sir.
Hi, thank you so much for having me here. It took me a little while. I was speaking, but I forgot to unmute myself and turn my video on. Welcome to the virtual world where we learn how to shift from physical to virtual session. I hope I am audible.
Rahman Muzadi as the adjunct faculty member. He has been featured in the cover page of Toastmasters International Magazine's global issue for December 2018.
Organizer, would you please mute yourself?
Before handing over to session, I'd like
Yeah, seems like I was attending one event in another event. It happens with every one of us. So, good afternoon. It's already afternoon. I'm Saurabh Lohani, and thank you for having me here. And before beginning this session itself, let's go through one small activity, all right? I am going to post a link in the chat box, and all you have to do is simply follow the link. And there's only one question that I have asked. Please feel free to give your inputs. And the chat link, I'm sorry, and the link for the question is right there. I hope you have gotten the link. The link is in the chat box. For your benefit, I'm posting the link once again. So kindly visit the link. I would give myself and give you about a minute to answer the question. There's only one question. Okay. We have only 5 people who have done the question, and we are about 2022. So I would request a few more people to do it. Only 11. So I hope you're attending this session to learn. So I'm requesting few more people to follow the link and do the needful. And for the ones who say that I have not gotten the link, once again, I'm sending the link in the chat box. So my request to you is kindly follow the link in the chat box and visit the link and do the needful. There's only one question, simple, only one question, and you need to answer that question. Okay, we have 16 people who have done it. And how many of us are here? We are somewhere around 35. It's a good number. Come on, show some spirit. Show some spirit. I have shared, and now 20 people have done it. Once again, for the benefit of people who have joined in later, sharing I am sharing with you a link, and kindly follow the link. And there's only one question that is being asked. Please do the question. We only have 21 people. Surprising. I don't know, for some reason it's so surprising to see just 21 people out of 35, 36 people who have joined this meeting. But nevertheless, whatever the number, let's move forward. So I want you to see the results before we take this session forward, because it is important for you to see the results before we move ahead with this session. And where am I? Just give me one moment. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, okay. I think I need to show you like this. Uh, I don't know, it's not working for some reason. Can you see this? Can somebody please?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one person said it's easy to convince people, it's piece of cake. Whereas 9 people said it's difficult. Whereas 15 of them said 50-50. There's no such thing as 50-50. 50-50 means it's difficult, but hey, you know what? I wouldn't like to say it. Now we have two people who said piece of cake. So now let's move on to our activity, because let's see who said piece of cake, and we will learn how it is a piece of cake. So now I have an activity for you. Let's do a simple activity, and there are a few rules I would like to say for this activity, because I don't want to plainly speak and just run my PowerPoint presentation, whereas you be on the receiving end, because in such ways, nobody is going to learn, neither you nor I. So here's a question for you. I mean, before we go to the activity, here are some rules for you. Rule number one is you have no time to think. It's an impromptu session, meaning I give you questions and you answer. Number two, you only have 2 minutes to speak to influence. Number three, the first three participants who write me in the chat box will be given opportunity. Only three participants who write me in the chat box and nobody else. All right. These are the rules. And one more rules, do not write me right away. Wait for my instruction. As simple as that. Now, since I've seen a lot of people say that it's a piece of cake, at least two people, and a lot of people say 50-50. So I need three of you to write me in the chat box, and then I'll give you a question to speak for 2 minutes. Anybody? The first three people who writes me in the chat box would be given opportunity. Now I'm waiting. Three people who writes me in the chat box will be given the opportunity. Anybody who would like to speak?
There's a hand raise.
Okay, no hand raising, please. Only writing me, because in hand raise, I wouldn't know who would raise first, but I know that it's Deepa because there's only one hand raise. Okay, the first person is Deepa. Who is the second one? So Deepa, you're first. Please write me in the chat box. Anybody who feels like this is my chance and I can prove myself, I can convince someone, please write me in the box. This is about leadership. This is about leadership. And you, Rotractors, my dear friends, I know that you have joined this club with the sole purpose to show leadership. So the first person was Deepa, and second person is Srijana. Anybody else? I have only two people. What about the third one? I need the third person. I need a third person to write me in the chat box. Okay. My God, you saved me. For a while, I thought nobody would like to speak. So now let's start with Deepa. Deepa, are you there? Deepa, please unmute yourself if you're there. Yes, you are very audible. Now let me give you your question, all right? Let me give you your question. And your question is, oh my God, just give me a second. Just give me a second. There has been a slight technical glitch. I'm sorry. Give me a second. Okay, I'm ready, I guess. Wait. Okay. So, Deepa, your question is right here. Why is communication skills important? You have 2 minutes. Please convince me. You don't have time to think. Your time starts now. Deepa, you there? Deepa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why is communication
Yes, sir.
skills important? You have 2 minutes. Start. Please start. I'm clocking you.
So, may I talk in English or Nepali, please?
It's up to you. I really don't know who are the participants. Are there English speaking participants or Nepali speaking participants? It's up to you.
Yeah, communication is very important in everybody's life, actually in business too, होइन मान्छेसँग कुरा गर्नुदेखि लिएर कम्युनिकेसन स्किल चाहिँ एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट किनकि हामी कसैसँग कम्युनिकेटै गर्न सकेनौँ भने चाहिँ हामीले कसरी कन्भिन्स नै गर्न सक्दैनौँ इभन वी क्यान मोटिभेट अदर थ्रु द कम्युनिकेसन वी क्यान इन्करेज पिपल टु डु सम वर्क अनि हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन स्किल राम्रो भयो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा हामीले कन्फिडेन्स फिल हुन्छ आफैमा पनि होइन अनि के भन्छ अरू पिपलले पनि हामीलाई रेस्पेक्ट गरिरहेको हुन्छ दे अल्सो गिभ रेस्पेक्ट टु अस होइन हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसनले चाहिँ नै हाम्रो पर्सनालिटीलाई चिनाइरहेको हुन्छ कि हाउ वी कम्युनिकेट विथ पिपल
Okay.
कम्युनिकेसन जसले चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ एकअर्कालाई जान्न मद्दत गर्छ इन बिजनेस फिल्ड और एभ्री फिल्डमा चाहिँ यदि मान्छेसँग कम्युनिकेसन स्किल नै छैन भने चाहिँ उसको मतलब उसले के गरिरहेछ होइन उसले एकदमै टप गरेर पनि उसले चाहिँ आफ्नो लाइफमा केही पनि गर्न नसकिरहेको हुन्छ कि कम्युनिकेसन नै हो जसले चाहिँ मान्छेले मतलब को हो भन्दा चिनाउँछ डक्टरले पनि आफ्नो कम्युनिकेसन स्किल राम्रो छैन भने उसले पेसेन्टलाई कन्भिन्स गर्नु सक्दैन बिजनेसम्यानले चाहिँ आफ्नो मतलब मार्केट अकुपाई गर्दैन एभ्रिथिङ इज अल अबाउट द कम्युनिकेसन इफ यु हेभ अ ग्रेट कम्युनिकेसन देन यु क्यान एचिभ एभ्रिथिङ थ्याङ्क यू सर
Thank you, Deepa. You took 1 minute and 40 seconds. Now, अब सुनौ है. I am posting a link on chat box. Now let's vote for Deepa. How effective was she? कतिको effective हुनुहुन्थ्यो त Deepa? It's a right feedback. It's a feedback. There's nothing to be heard about. So I have shared a link in the chat box. कृपया धेरै भन्दा धेरै साथीभाइहरूले यो लिंकलाई फलो गरेर एकचोटि यो feedback चाहिँ दिदिनु होला ताकि we know कि how effective was Deepa when it comes to communicating her message. Importance of communication skills. Okay, please. This is a very important feedback mechanism. Please go to the link shared in the chat box and please give feedback. Please give feedback. मैले भर्खरै एउटा लिंक पोस्ट गरेको छु chat box मा त्यो chat box को लिंक फलो गरेर दीपालाई feedback दिदिनु होला है. Now Deepa, I want you to see your live feedback because this is very important, right? Can you see this?
yes sir
So see, Deepa, 21 people said you somewhat convinced them. 5 people said very convinced, 6 people were not convinced. So kuro kyo भन्दाखेरि now I'll not come to a conclusion right now. So let's move towards our second speaker who has volunteered for today. हैन हाम्रो दोस्रो speaker हुनुहुन्थ्यो. I do not remember the name, but I think it was Srijana ji. Are you the one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srijana ji, I have a question for you. Either just give me a. This is your question. Convince me to become a road tractor. Think that I am in the age limit and convince me. I give you 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
Okay. So, sir. So you are not replying. मैले मात्रै बोल्ने हो
हजुरले मात्रै बोल्ने हो मलाई कन्भिन्स गर्नुस् 2 मिनेटमा कि why should I be a road tractor?
Okay. So hello sir. So I am a road tractor Srijana Shrestha from your Kathmandu Northबाट अनि we have been doing so many activities अहिले यो यस्तो pandemic हुँदा र नहुँदा पनि हैन सोशल एक्टिभिटिज यो मान्छेहरूलाई प्रब्लममा हुँदाखेरि त्यो गर्ने अनि I know I have seen your motivational speaker अनि त्यसपछि हजुरको जुन हेर्दाखेरि जुन सोशल एक्टिभिस्ट हुनुहुन्छ अनि we need you to be our हुन्छ नि एउटा मेन्टरको रूपमा so that's why I want you to join road track किनभने like सबैजना हामी सबैजना we are I am a newcomer in road track. That's why maybe there are so many people हामी सबैजना I mean perfect छैनौँ. That's why we want you to mentor in different levels जस्तै leadership trainingहरू we are doing in our level but so in different activities. So
You have used your 1 minute and 15 seconds only.
Hmm.
Well, I'm trying to prove something, eh? They will say, please have patience. Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir. Sorry.
Thank you. No worries, no worries. Now, can we go in the link once again in the chat box and give a voting for Srijana? Can we do that quickly, please? Because Srijana has put in hard work in order to perform or speak for 2 minutes in an impromptu topic. Can we please go ahead and give Srijana a voting? Srijana, I vote garo. So this is live voting of Srijana. Srijana, please watch. And one person is convinced, 9 is somewhat convinced, whereas 21 people, 22 people not convinced, right? 23. This is a good feedback for you. You would know what to work upon. 24 people. There are a lot of people who are not convinced. So now let me come to the last person. I think I'm the last person who road track Bhadgaon ki ke bhanera lekhnu bhako थियो.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, great. So let me give you, what is your good name, please?
Rotoractor Sunil Shahi.
Sunil. Okay, Sunil. Let me give you your topic, all right? And you also have 2 minutes. And here's your topic. Why should an individual be a leader?
Okay, first of all, thank you. And I would like to commence because I just have 2 minutes. So, okay, so a leader. So I cannot convince a thing that I don't believe in. And I'm like, I feel lucky to have that question because to become a leader. So what does it mean to become a leader? Leader doesn't mean that you're in front of everybody. Excuse me. Am I audible or? Is
Yes,
there any
yes, you are.
disturbance?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are. Please.
So yeah, continuing with my speech. So leader is not somebody who is out there, who is in front speaking. Leader is each and every one of us who represent ourselves and who try to become a reliable person so that other could look upon, other could be inspired, right? So why should we aspire to be a leader? We aspire to be a leader because that is something, first of all, it is a merit that it is a benefit for us than other people, you know. You become confident in what you do, and confident भइसकेपछि त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि हजुरको जुन काम हुन्छ त्यो झन् एफिसिएन्टली हजुरले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. सेकेन्ड कुरा के हो भनिसकेपछि in this society, in this civilization, one of the major objective of human beings is to pass on the information that we have to the next generation or to other people, right? So becoming a good leader will definitely boost that aspects for betterment of our society, of our community, and at the end of the day, you indirectly हामीलाई नै राम्रो गर्ने हो नि त. त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि leader हुनुपर्छ, and this is the somewhat basic things that I personally believe in, and I believe that it would work for you, and it is a little investment, like an unlimited profit. So why not follow this? Yeah, why not be a leader? So yeah, thank you. That is my point.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now let's go once again. This is the last time you're going to vote for someone. So please, there's a voting link in the chat box. Kindly open the link and vote for our third and the last speaker for right now. फेरि पनि त्यो लिङ्क च्याट बक्समा मैले सेयर गरिदिइसकेको छु, त्यो लिङ्कलाई खोल्नु होला र त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ तपाईँ कतिको कन्भिन्स्ड हुनुहुन्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ सेयर गर्नु होला. You have 1 minute to do so. So I want to show you this figure, all right? I want to show you this, and this is a very important thing because this is the last of the screens that I'm going to show you for right now. Please take a look at this. Can you see this? Can anybody let me know if you can see this or not?
So we can say this.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So now, Augie, from being many people not convinced to somewhat convinced, oily third speaker Myra, a lot of people are very convinced to somewhat convinced. Now this question goes to you. Right? Now this question goes to you, and you don't have to give immediate answer. And my question is, out of three speakers, why were you convinced with the last speaker, but not so convinced with the first two speakers? It's not about the speakers, all right? We are not here to evaluate or judge the speaker. What aspect of the speaker made you convinced when it comes to last speaker? But what aspect of the communicator or the speaker that didn't convince you with the message that they were trying to give? So I have given you, or I will give you 1 minute. So anybody who raises hand can speak. किन चाहिँ तपाईँ अघिल्लो दुईटा स्पिकर के एस्पेक्टबाट चाहिँ कन्भिन्स हुनु भएन र लास्टको एउटा स्पिकरसँग चाहिँ किन कन्भिन्स हुनुभयो? यु हेभ 1 minute टु राइट डाउन योर एन्सर्स. प्लिज डु नट रिपिट एन्सर्स. कसैले हात उठाउनु भएको छ भने उठाउँदा हुन्छ है, म हेरिरहेको छु. कसैले रिपिट गरेको एन्सर तपाईँले रिपिट गर्न खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने प्लिज डु नट रिपिट दि एन्सर. मैले पनि भन्न खोजेको त्यही हो भने answer चाहिँ नदिनु होला. Your answer has not been said, then only please turn your mic on and speak. So I would like to go with Swaroop. Swaroop, are you there, please?
Yes, I am. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. So all of the speakers were awesome. They have they share the same inspiration, the same feeling, the same love towards road track and leadership. But the reason why I was convinced with the last speaker was his communication skills. They shared the same inspiration, the same vibe, the same feeling, but they weren't able to communicate them as efficiently as the last speaker. So I guess that is why I agreed with him more, and why I was convinced with him.
It's something that bought you. That's really nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Swaroop. Now let me move ahead to Anushya. Anushya, are you there?
Yes, sir. So for the first and the second one, the first one was quite confident, but I did not see any kind of personal motive that would convince me. And the second was a little confused by herself, but the third one was quite confident and he knew what he wanted to convey. And for me, somewhat like personally, it had convinced me to be a leader. Yeah.
So yeah, that's very true. So number one is his communication skills. Number two is his confidence and the thing that he wanted to convey, somehow he managed to convey. So anybody would like to give their input, we would be taking 2 to 3 inputs, and this is your opportunity to speak. So if you feel like what aspect of communication skills you loved, or what is it that you loved about the person who spoke, or why were you not convinced about what they had to say, please let me know. Saurav, yes, please.
So the major factor that made me a bit convinced with the last speaker is because the last speaker sounded like he believed in what he was trying to convince to us. Yeah. That was a very important point for me. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Wonderful point. So please note down, right? Training ma aera sunera matrai janale chai hamro jindagima there wouldn't be any kind of changes in our life, the changes that you would like to bring. But then if you jot down the points that is really impactful, probably you can revisit them today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. It would make an impact to you in long run. So number one is confidence. Number one is communication. And number three is the third speaker only spoke for what he believed in. Number three. So anybody will only take 2 responses now, and then we would not take any response. So कोही हुनुहुन्छ मेरो भोइस अहिलेसम्म सुनिएन र मैले भन्न चाहेको चिज तीनैजनाले भन्नु भएन भने जस्तो छ भने चाहिँ प्लिज भन्नु होला. कम्युनिकेसनको पाटोमा पनि हजुरहरुलाई के मन पर्यो भनेर त्यो एक्ज्याक्ट कुरा भन्न सक्नुभयो भने अझै राम्रो है. Anybody would like to go next? Anyone? It's your chance. It's your shot. So anybody? Anybody? I'd give you 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Yes. Mila. Yes, please. Mila. And after that, Swaroop.
So thank you for letting me speak. I agreed with the third speaker more because the way he started was really convincing. With the voice he started was better than the other speakers.
Very true. Very true. The voice, the power in voice. Brilliantly said. Swarup, yes, please go ahead.
So I'd like to add on to the things that I said earlier. He also could make all the listeners relate to what you were saying, because that is a very important part of the part of communicating to a mass. He could actually make the users connect with what you were saying.
Very true. Connection with the audience, which is very important. There are few lines said by few retractors. Aniket Karki, what he said is the expression of each words are far better than other two. Clarity on voice and each word clarity of each word vanubala. Rotrak Panauti says clarity on voice and words. I'm sorry I could not see your name. Srijana, don't worry. Once in a while we have low confidence. I was also there, you know. But this is all about learning. It's not about comparing, right? So now, having said that, let me tell you one thing. Right? Now let me move forward and let me tell you this. Can everybody bring a pencil and a paper and write yes in the chat box? सबैले चाहिँ एउटा pencil वा चाहिँ pen dot pen जे पनि लिएर आएर, and then can you write yes in the chat box? Okay. You just need to have one pencil or pen and one paper to write. Okay, great. I love your enthusiasm. It's amazing like how you people respond to the questions. Okay, yes. A lot of yes that I see. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to instruct you something. And based on my instructions, what you have to do is you'd have to draw whatever you understand. And you can ask me to repeat the instruction, but do not ask me to explain the instructions. All right. So let's start. Let me instruct you. My instruction could be a little weird, but let me try my best. All right. So number one, draw two circles of equal size with draw two circles side by side of equal size, keeping at least 2 centimeters of gap in between. Good. I hope you did it. Let's move on to instruction number 2. Join the two circles in the gap with a straight line. Instruction number 3. Now first focus on this. Third instruction is from the outward corners of both the circle, draw a vertical line towards upwards. So let me repeat this instruction, all right? Once again, number 1, draw two circles of equal size side by side, keeping 2 centimeters of gap in between both the circles. That was number 1. Number 2 is now bridge that 2 centimeters of gap with a straight line. That was second instruction. Third instruction, from the outer side of both the circles, pull a vertical line towards upward. Last instruction, from the end of both the vertical lines that you pulled, make sure you draw an inward C. Inward C. Now, I don't know what happened, but I want you to please turn your videos and show me what you made. Please turn your videos and show me what you made. I know you may not be dressed up, or you have not combed your hair, or you don't look very beautiful and handsome, or you're not prepared for this, but please turn your videos on and show me. Quickly fix your hair, quickly fix your dress, and show me what. Last instruction was from the end of the vertical lines that you have drawn, please draw an inward C. So my request to the tech masters is please allow, okay, maybe, wait, let them show videos. So can they please turn on their videos so that I can see what they made? Tech masters, anybody who's looking after the tech? Somebody has written that there's no access to video, so can please someone turn on the video? Okay, great. Now I see a little bit. Okay, great, great. Few people made it nice. Dikshant made it wonderful. You did it, buddy. Mila, wonderfully done. Mandira, somewhat done. Yes, nice. Rotrak, Chandragiri, well done. Bhadgaon also well done, right? Okay. A few people names are not coming up. Swarup done. You're done, buddy. You're done. You did it great. Anushya, good, good. Rupa, thanks for adding in that extra line. That's nice. Srijana, good, well done. Neela, good, well done. Dinesh, well done. Nice, good presence of mind, Rotractor. Dinesh, you just wrote, or Rotarian Dinesh, I don't know. You wrote your name on top, which is very good. Ajay, wonderfully done. Rotrack Panoti, wonderfully done. So a lot of people have done it. Now, what I'm trying to prove here is, but a lot of people could not do it. म यहाँ प्रमाणित के गर्न खोज्दैछु भने हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन मोर or लेस यस्तै हुन्छ क्या. So if you're still turning on your video now, you can turn off your video because I've seen a lot of people do it right. Yes, RTR Anupa, you've also done it. A lot of people have done it, but what I'm trying to prove here is हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन यस्तो हुन्छ क्या. मैले मेरो दिमागमा बुझे भनेपछि सबैले बुझे होला भन्ने हुन्छ क्या. Most of the times why we cannot come to a consensus is for the reason that we communicate only for us to understand and not for everybody to understand. So यदि तपाईहरुले चाहिँ राम्रोसँग डिसिजनहरुलाई चाहिँ इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ, डिसिजन्सहरु बनाउन चाहनुहुन्छ वा कन्सेन्सस ग्यादर गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ you need to understand the first and foremost thing that you need to work upon is your communication skills. So पहिलो कुरो चाहिँ कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ र कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्समा पनि के इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ भनेर सोध्नु भने यो कथालाई ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुस् है सबैले. यो कथालाई ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुस् है. Jim, so यो कथालाई ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुस्. I hope everybody is ready. Now listen to this story. Jim is mad because the morning traffic has caused him to be very late to work, and because he was late, he was speeding and he was stopped by a police officer named Johnson. Johnson fined Jim. Jim, shortly after getting to work, he starts yelling at his assistant Jenny about a report he needs. Jenny, the assistant, calls the manager, Johnny, who has not turned the report on time. In a very forceful manner, Jenny tells Johnny to get the report over to her immediately. Johnny, the manager, is very upset, but then submits his report by staying overtime at work. Johnny is still mad when he walks into his house after work. It was raining like cats and dogs outside when Johnny reached home. Unfortunately, his wife Josie was taking a shower. Johnny was completely soaked by the time he waited for the door to open. Johnny, who was very angry, yelled at his wife Josie, and Josie got really upset for her husband yelling at her for no reason. She then went to the kitchen to prepare dinner. Meanwhile, Jack, son of Johnny and Josie, walks into the kitchen and starts asking for dinner as he was hungry. Josie, pouring her husband's Johnny's anger, yells at Jack and sends him off to his room. While Jack, Josie, and Johnny were walking to their respective room out of anger, at the same time, the house cat named Julie walks by the front door. Infuriated by the anger, Jack kicks Julie and Julie runs away. So this is the story, all right? I know it's a very humorous story. Now what I want you to do is listen to this carefully. I hope you've listened to the story. There's no repeating the story. So now what you will have to do is you just will have to do one simple thing. Just give me a moment. I have shared something in the chat box. मैले chat box मा केही कुरा share गरेको छु. Now please, there's only one question. एउटा मात्रै question छ. त्यो question को answer दिदिनु होला. I understand Johnny, Jolie, Juicy, a lot of J's, right? So, but answer that question that I have asked. एउटा question मात्रै छ त्यसलाई answer गर्नु होला है, and then I will come back to you. त्यो chat box मा please follow गर्नु होला. Chat box मा मैले एउटा question लेखेको छु. त्यो link मा गएर please त्यो question लाई answer गरिदिनु होला. Whatever answer you can give. Sorry, not for speaker 3. Did I share the speaker 3 wala chahi? I'm sorry. So let me share with you another one. Sorry, that's not the question. The question is this. The question is this. I have shared a new link. Please follow the link. दुईचोटी share गरेको छु. There's only it's not for speaker 3. This is amazing. I love this. Now listen to this. I want you to watch this, and this is amazing. And there you go. See, 20 people said Jack, 21 people said 22. I hope you're not asking your friend, "Oi, bhanna bhan biralo lai kalle lat hanyo bhanera." So 22 people said Jack kicked the cat. 3 people said John, 17 said Johnny, 7 said Jenny, and 2 said Johnson. Whereas the right answer is Jack kicked the cat. Jack le chahi biralo lai lati haneko, right? It's not Johnny or Jenny or John or Johnson or anyone. It was Jack. So what I'm trying to tell you is the first ever lesson about building consensus is you need to understand the fact that listen first, then speak. हामीहरुको बानी के छ भने बोल्न पाइन्जेल आफू भटटटट बोल्छौं र सुन्नु पर्दाखेरि we don't pay attention to what people have to say. And when you don't listen effectively to people, then you can never build consensus. Number 2, improve your communication. You can only improve your communication skills when you listen first. And what I mean by improving your communication skills is number 1, speak your experience. Hypothetically कुरा गर्नु भन्दा आफ्नो experience मा based भएर चाहिँ कुरा गर्नुस्. Rather than saying कि हाम्रो क्लब को निम्ति यो गर्दा ठीक हुन्छ भन्नु भन्दा मैले गुगल मा हेरेको थिएँ हाम्रो जस्तै सिचुएसन को एउटा क्लब थियो so and so ठाउँमा and they did 1 this, number 2 this step, number 3 this step, and यो गरिसकेपछि within 6 months उहाँहरुको क्लब चाहिँ यो पोजिसनमा पुग्यो. सो शायद यदि चाहिँ हामीले पनि यसरी गर्यौं भने हामी त्यो पोजिसनमा पुग्छौं कि और हामीले पहिला यस्तो हुँदा यस्तो स्टेप लिएको थियो, यस्तो स्टेप गर्दा पोजिटिभ आउटकम्सहरु यसरी आयो, त्यो उनाले चाहिँ यो स्टेप नै एकचोटी लिँदाखेरि अझै राम्रो हुन्छ कि. सी इफ यू स्पीक योर एक्सपीरियन्स यू बिकम अ बेटर कम्युनिकेटर rather than just speaking your hypothetically. Number 2, back your communication. What I mean by back your communication is तपाईको कम्युनिकेसनलाई सपोर्ट गर्नको निम्ति चाहिँ आइडियाजहरु हैन, डेटाहरु, स्टोरीजहरु, रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियन्सहरु, एनेक्डोट्सहरु लिएर आउनुस् के. मैले रोट्र्याक्टर तपाई बन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईको लिडरशिप राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर मात्र भन्नु र अकॉर्डिंग टु भनौं न so and so newspaper and so article published in New York Times and so date, if you become a road tractor at a young age, the chances of you becoming a better leader are very high. होइन अब नेपालकै केसमा नि so and so was a retractor or Rotarian, so and so was a retractor and Rotarian, look at them, where are they right now? So even they started from a normal position भनेर चाहिँ तपाईले यदि डेटा स्टोरी र रियल लाइफ एक्सपिरियन्स वा एनेक्डोटहरु तपाईले चाहिँ एड गर्न सक्नुभयो भने you can build better consensus. Next thing is keep neutral experience. आफ्नो कुरा भन्नुन्जेल चाहिँ भन्नी अनि अरूले कुरा भन्दाखेरि आँखा रोल गर्ने वा नहेरा जस्तो गर्ने वा चाहिँ भनौं न फेशियल जेस्चर्सहरु यस्तो दिने कि अगाडिको मान्छेको कुरा मलाई चित्तै बुझ्या छैन भनेर भन्ने जस्तो गर्नुभयो भने the person who is speaking can understand you are not interested भनेर. And when you act like you are not interested, तपाईले आफ्नो कुरा भन्दाखेरि पनि he or she will not be interested. र कहिले पनि तपाईले आफ्नो कुरा चाहिँ across send गर्नै सक्नुहुन्न. That's another thing. That's important aspect about communication skills. Do not debate, but discuss. जहिले पनि आफ्नो कुरा राख्दाखेरि डिबेट नगर्नुस् के विवाद नगर्नुस्, बहस गर्नुस्, किनभने विवादमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने मैले जित्छु कि त्यसले जित्छ भन्ने फिलिङ हुन्छ. बहसमा चाहिँ एउटा संस्थालाई राम्रो हुने गरी बहस गरिन्छ र बेटर सल्युसन निकालिन्छ. किनभने कन्सेन्ससको काम भनेको बेटर सल्युसन निकाल्ने हो कुनै पनि समस्याको निम्ति हैन. सबैले युनिसनमा गएर चाहिँ एउटा सल्युसन चाहिँ डिराइभ गर्ने हो. त्यसको निम्ति जति तपाईले विवाद गर्नुभयो त्यति नै तपाईको सल्युसन ओरिएन्टेड हुँदैन. सो द्याट्स व्हाई do not debate, discuss. किनभने डिबेटमा जहिले पनि विनर एन्ड लुजर तय हुन्छ भने डिस्कसनमा everyone is a winner. सबैको विन विन सिचुएसन हुन्छ. नेक्स्ट, your ideas may not be selected. र आइडिया सेलेक्ट नहुँदाखेरि चाहिँ डिबेट गर्नुपर्ने तपाईलाई मनमा लाए पनि डिबेट नगर्नुहोस्. नेक्स्ट इज डिसिजन इज टेकन इन युनिसन. आफू व्यक्ति मेरो चाहिँ किन यसले लिएन वा मलाई चाहिँ किन यसले माथि राखेन भन्ने सोच नआओस् तपाईमा. यो भयो भने कहिले पनि कन्सेन्सस बिल्ड हुँदैन. र जहिले पनि याद गर्नुस् कि मैले भन्ने आफ्नो पाटो राखे र सबैको धारणा के छ मेजोरिटीसँग जाने हो आखिरमा. सो we will go with the majority भनेर भन्नु. यदि तपाईको कुरामा भ्याल्यु फाइन्ड गर्छ भने majority will go with you. See, if you already improve your communication, somewhat you would be able to convince or attract people. And in such case, you will never have to debate. But debate गर्ने पनि मौका आयो भने debate नगर्नु होला, discuss मात्रै गर्नु होला. किनभने आज तपाई लिडरशिप पोजिसनमा नहुन सक्नुहुन्छ. आज तपाईलाई मान्छेले नसुन्लान्, तर कुनै न कुनै दिन तपाई त्यो पोजिसनमा पुग्नुहुन्छ नि. त्यो पोजिसनमा पुग्दाखेरि पनि तपाईलाई मान्छेले पास्टको एक्सपिरियन्स हेरेर चाहिँ युजुअली जज गर्छन्. So always be future oriented whenever you are speaking, right? So these are few tips I would like to give you in order to become a good in order to build good consensus. There are several other tips in order to become or build consensus in a better way. But the few things that I mentioned, listening, speak, and improving your communication skills, अर्को भनेको empathy पनि हो. अरू मान्छेको ठाउँमा बसेर चाहिँ तपाईले सोचेर बोल्न सक्नु नै सबैभन्दा ठूलो कुरा पनि हो जस्तो लाग्छ. So now that I have come to the end of my session, why I ended so early is because I know that jati session gare पनि there are always few question and answers. So I wanted to take at least 2 to 3 question and answers towards the end before I end this session, because I know that I'm at least 10 minutes ahead of time. I want to end this on time, but I want to also take your questions. So if there are any questions, please let me know in the chat box, and then I would be more than happy to answer. मैले मात्रै बोले भने तपाईसँग irrelevant कुरामा पनि मैले बोल्न सक्छु हैन. तर तपाईले प्रश्न मलाई सोध्नु भयो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने तपाईकै आधारमा मैले तपाईलाई उत्तर दिन सक्छु. So Ayushma, Ajay has a question. Ajay, yes, please go ahead.
So मेरो question चाहिँ रोट्र्याक्टमा चाहिँ we do have a board of directors जहाँ चाहिँ president, vice president त्यसरी खालको organization हुन्छ हैन. अनि कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ you are comparatively in a different level अनि you have an idea जो चाहिँ कुनै existing रोट्र्याक्टर अथवा आफूभन्दा kind of hierarchy माथि भएको रोट्र्याक्टरसँग चाहिँ म्याच हुँदैन अनि there comes a conflicting thought हैन. अब त्यति बेला चाहिँ what could be the possible way जहाँ चाहिँ हामीले आफ्नो आइडिया पनि शेयर गरौँ र उहाँहरुको इगो पनि हट नहोस् वाला त्यो सिचुएसन चाहिँ कसरी गर्न सकिन्छ होला.
मैले म्याक्सिमम यस्तो कम्युनिटी क्लबमा दुईटा चीज देखेको छु. एउटा कुरा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले के बुझ्नु पर्यो भने म टोस्ट मास्टर्स हो र तपाईहरु रोट्र्याक्टर्सहरु हुनुहुन्छ. यो दुईटै अर्गनाइजेसनले सर्भेन्ट लिडरशिपमा विश्वास गर्छ. नम्बर 1, मिनिङ कि लिडरशिप पोजिसन भनेको तपाईलाई चाहिँ इन अर्डर टु सर्भ पिपल भनेर दिएको पोजिसन हो, न कि त्यो पोजिसनमा डुएल गरेर प्राइड लिने पोजिसन हो. द्याट्स नम्बर 1 फर अल द लिडर्स हु आर लिडिङ देयर क्लब्स हैन. नम्बर 2, हामी यस्तो सोसाइटीमा बस्छौँ नेपाली सोसाइटीमा जहाँ कसैसँग चित्त बुझेन कि विद्रोह नै गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने हुन्छ क्या। जस्तो एउटा एक्जिक्युटिभ कमिटीले 10 वटा राम्रो काम गरेछ तर एउटा मिस्टेक गरिदियो भने हामी त्यो एउटा मिस्टेकलाई लिएर यति खन्निन्छौँ नि त्यो एक्जिक्युटिभ कमिटीमा। बिचरा त्यो एक्जिक्युटिभ कमिटीले 10 चोटि सोध्छ बेकार भएछु म एक्जिक्युटिभ कमिटीमा आएछु, म अर्को पालिदेखि लिडरसिपै लिदिनँ भन्ने हुन्छ। एउटा कुरा म तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ के रिक्वेस्ट गर्न चाहन्छु भने ठुलठुला देशहरू बीचको प्रब्लम त संवाद गरेर वा टेबल टक गरेर सल्भ हुन्छ भनेपछि एउटा यत्रो सानो क्लब जसमा 20 देखि 30 जना मेम्बर हुनुहुन्छ त्यहाँ कम्युनिकेट गरेर सल्भ हुन्छ। नम्बर 1। नम्बर 2, what goes around comes around. यदि if you are the problematic one, यदि तपाईले चाहिँ विद्रोह गरेर खुट्टा तानेर भनाभन गरेर चाहिँ झगडा गर्नुहुन्छ भने भोलि तपाई एक्जिक्युटिभ कमिटीमा आउँदाखेरि पनि तपाईसँग पनि विद्रोह गर्ने भनाभन गर्ने वा तपाईलाई नीचा देखाउने मान्छे पनि 100% आउँछ, किनभने आफूले जे दियो त्यही फर्केर आउने हो। सो आई विल गिभ यु अ ब्युटिफुल टिप। जस्तो मेरो क्लबमा पनि आई एम नट इन एक्जिक्युटिभ पोजिसन राइट नाउ, आई एम अ जेनरल मेम्बर। हुन त म एकदमै डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेभलमा छु अहिले, हाई लेभलमा, त्यही पनि क्लबमा म जेनरल मेम्बर हो हैन। मलाई कुनै पनि चिज मन परेन वा चाहिँ मैले भन्नु पर्यो भने म कसरी भन्छु भने फलानो सर म्याम म हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ वा चाहिँ हामीहरूको पहिलाको एक्सपिरियन्समा हामीले यसरी सेसन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सबैलाई बेनिफिट भएको थियो र यो गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सबै मेम्बर्सले बेनिफिट प्राप्त गरेको थियो। हजुरहरूले गरेको रङ भन्न खोजेको चाहिँ होइन, तर अझै यसमा केही चिज चेन्ज लिएर आउन सकेर सो एन्ड सोलाई चाहिँ एड गर्न सकेर फलानो चिजलाई हटाउन सके चाहिँ हाम्रो क्लबको एक्सपिरियन्स राम्रो हुन्थ्यो कि के छ त केही गर्न सकिएला। सोध्ने तरिका हामीले टोस्ट मास्टर्समा यस्तो हामीले गरे यार तपाईँ प्रेसिडेन्ट भएर चाहिँ झन् राम्रो कत्रा भाषण त चुनावमा त यस्तो दिनुभयो थियो के गर्छु भनेर, खोइ तपाईँहरूले केही गर्नु भएन भनेर करायो भने के हुन्छ भने भोलि त्यो फर्केर मलाई आउँछ क्या। सो हामी जहिले पनि सल्लाह दिँदा वा फिडब्याक दिँदा नन अलार्मिङ र नन थ्रेटनिङ इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा दिने भन्छौँ क्या। मिनिङ वेन वी जस्तो तपाईँसँग पनि कुरा गर्नु पर्यो भने आजको सेसन एकदमै राम्रो थियो, तपाईँहरूको 100 जना भन्दा बढी पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरू थिए हैन। तर एउटै सुझाव, यदि तपाईँको ठाउँमा म भइदिएको भए मलाई 12 बजे सेसन स्टार्ट गर्ने भनिएको थियो, ढिलोमा पनि 12 बजेर 2 मिनटमा स्टार्ट गर्थ्यौँ होला, त्योभन्दा ढिला गर्दिनँ। तर एनिवेज आई क्यान अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड सबै चिज तपाईँहरूको कन्ट्रोलमा नि हुँदैन, मान्छेहरू ढिला आउनुभयो, बट नेभरदलेस इन्टायर सेसन यति राम्रो भयो कि कुरै नगर्नु। सी I gave you 4 good feedbacks and 1 feedback for improvement. तपाईलाई फिडब्याक दिएँ, तपाईलाई सायद खासै फरक परेन। तर यदि म आउँदा यहाँ यो के हो, यो यसरी पनि सेसन गर्ने हो, म अघि 12 बजेदेखि कुरिरहेको छु, 12 बजेर 10 मिनटमा स्टार्ट भयो, यहाँ कुनै भ्याल्यु नै छैन मान्छेको भनेर कराउन थाल्यो भने के हुन्छ भने मेरो क्रेडिबिलिटी पनि लस्ट हुन्छ क्या। अब भइसक्यो त के गर्ने घेटाको फोडेर आउने होइन। सो यु निड टु इम्प्रुभ दिज कम्युनिकेसन स्किल्स भन्न खोजेको। अझै I hope I answered your question. Thank you. We will be taking 1 or 2. So anybody, any questions, please feel free to ask. Only 2 questions ko lagi room cha aba.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Contractor I am from Rotaract Club of Patan, and currently I am a general member, and for upcoming Rotary I will be serving as club service director. The situation you gave just earlier, like someone tries to rebel you or the thing you did, and now let's just reverse the situation. You are one of the board of directors and the general member is revealing something, then how can you convince him or her for his or her rebel?
Sometimes you don't need to convince, sometimes you just need to be a good listener. Okay? कस्तो हुन्छ भने कोही रिसाएर कोही मान्छे याद गर्नुहोस् है, यो चाहे टोस्ट मास्टर्सको मिटिङमा होस्, चाहे रोटरीको मिटिङमा होस् वा रोट्र्याक्टको मिटिङमा होस्, कोही मान्छे चाहिँ म झगडै गर्छु भनेर आएको हुन्छ क्या। त्यसलाई तपाईँले दुनियाँको त्यो अगाडि भगवानै आएर पनि म भगवान हो बाबु यसरी नरिसा भनेर भन्यो भने भगवान तपाईँ पछि होला, पहिला मेरो प्रश्नको उत्तर दिनुस् भनेर भन्छ होला कि, यसलाई अन्यथा नलिनुस् हैन। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइङ टु टेल यु इज सम पिपल कम विथ द इन्टेन्ट टु फाइट, एन्ड इफ दे हेभ कम विथ एन इन्टेन्ट टु फाइट, no matter how hard you try to convince, if people have decided to take you wrong, even if you give all the sources and all the proof, they would still not be convinced. So at that time तपाईले बोलेर चाहिँ त्यो कन्भर्सेसनलाई अझ हिटेड बनाउनु साटो तपाईले चाहिँ सिम्पली के भन्नु गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने तपाईले सुनेर उहाँलाई माथि पार्दिदा हुन्छ कि। अब जस्तो म तपाईलाई एउटा आइडिया दिन्छु, मेरो टोस्ट मास्टर्स क्लबमा म प्रेसिडेन्ट हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ के भयो भने कोही मान्छेले त्यहाँ पैसा धाँधली गर्नुभयो हैन, त्यहाँको ट्रेजररले या कसैले भनौँ न। अनि आएर चाहिँ उहाँ नै खन्डिनु भयो क्या। उहाँले के भन्नुभयो भने, अरू मेम्बर्सहरूले के भन्नुभयो भने, तँ प्रेसिडेन्ट हुँदा तेरो अन्डरमा हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ तैँले यसरी चाहिँ तेरो अन्डरबाट पैसा गायब भइसक्यो, तँलाई थाहा छैन भनेर भन्नुभयो। यति कराउनु भयो 5-7 मिनट, जे मुखमा आछ भन्नुभयो। अनि मैले के भने नि, थ्याङ्क यू सर, तपाईँको फिडब्याक एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ हामीलाई। तपाईँहरू जस्तो चेतना भएका मेम्बरहरू हाम्रो क्लबमा हुनुभएको हुनाले चाहिँ आज पैसा हिनामिना गर्दा र मैले नथाहा पाउँदा पनि आएर तपाईँले चाहिँ मलाई सतर्क बनाइदिनु भयो। यसको निम्ति चाहिँ तपाईँलाई चाहिँ एकदमै म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। अब यो सिन्स अब यो प्रब्लम हजुरले चाहिँ हाइलाइट गरिसक्नुभयो, सायद यसको जवाब आजै मसँग छैन, तर एकचोटि बोर्ड अफ मेम्बरसँग बसेर चाहिँ एउटा प्रक्रिया हुन्छ हाम्रो संस्थामा बसेर, र जसले यदि कोही दोषी छ भने र जति पनि पैसा हिनामिना भएको छ त्यो पैसा चाहिँ क्लबमा फिर्ता लिएर आउने म प्रतिबद्धता जनाउन चाहन्छु। तपाईँको आजको सुझावको लागि र तपाईँको रिस्क पनि जायज छ यदि यस्तो भएको भने त्यसको लागि धन्यवाद भनेर मैले छोडिदिएँ। सो कस्तो हुन्छ भने युजली मैले क्लब मिटिङहरूमा हेरेको छु, एउटा झगडै गर्न आउँछ र एउटा झगडा गरिसकेपछि अर्कोको पनि इगो हर्ट हुन्छ र त्यहाँबाट पुरा बाजाबाज हुन्छ होइन। बट समटाइम्स यु जस्ट निड टु लिसन एन्ड यु क्यान से थ्याङ्क यू सो मच, तपाईँको फिडब्याक एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ, हामी यो प्रब्लमलाई छिटोभन्दा छिटो एड्रेस गर्न चाहन्छौँ भनेर चाहिँ छोडिदियो हुन्छ कि। किनभने झगडा गरे पनि सल्युसन निस्किने होइन, होइन यसलाई राम्ररी टुङ्ग्या पनि सल्युसन निस्किने होइन भनेपछि बरु राम्ररी नै टुङ्ग्याउनु, द्याट सोज यो लिडरसिप होइन। त्यो हुनाले इफ आई वाज इन यो प्लेस आई वुड हेभ डन सच। आई होप आई एन्सर। थ्याङ्क यू एन्ड विल टेक वान लास्ट क्वेसन है।
Thank you, sir.
थ्याङ्क यू। रोड ट्र्याक राजधानी, डु यु हेभ एनी क्वेसन? राजधानी को हुनुहुन्छ है नाम पुरा?
सरी, मेरोमा अलिकति नेटवर्क पनि अलिकति अनस्टेबल छ, सो भनिहाल्छु है। सो हेलो एभ्रिवान, आई एम रोड ट्र्याक्टर मित्र खत्री, प्रेसिडेन्ट अफ रोड ट्र्याक क्लब अफ राजधानी। सर मेरो क्वेसन के मा जहिले पनि बिलिभ के गर्छु भन्दाखेरि, वेन कुनै कुराहरू चाहिँ मैले कन्भिन्स गराउन अथवा मैले भनिराख्नु भन्दा पनि अरू कोही बाहिरको मान्छेहरू आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ चाँडै कन्भिन्स हुन्छ कि जस्तो चाहिँ मलाई बिलिभ, मेरो चाहिँ त्यो एउटा बिलिभ छ। सो त्यो बिलिभ चाहिँ राइट हो कि रङ हो भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ बी अस्योर क्या त्यसमा चाहिँ। जस्तै यही कुरा मैले मेरो आफ्नो बिओडी टिमलाई अथवा मेम्बरलाई भन्दाखेरि मैले भन्नुभन्दा पनि अरू बाहिर अथवा मान्छेहरू भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ द बेटर कन्भिन्स भन्ने टाइपको चाहिँ मलाई फिल आएको छ क्या। त्यो चाहिँ एउटा लिडरसिपमा त्यो किसिमको हुनुपर्छ कि हुनु पर्दैन भन्ने मेरो।
Very true, very true. Thank you for such wonderful question है। अब यो $1 million question हो भन्छ नि। तपाईँले भनेको कुरा एकदम ठिक हो। एउटा लिडर भनेको त्यो मान्छे होइन जसले हरेक पटक मैले आउनुपर्छ भन्ने मान्छे चाहिँ लिडर हुन सक्छ, तर एउटा लिडर सही लिडर को पनि हो जस्तो लाग्छ भने यदि मैले बुझाउन सकेको छैन भने म भन्दा पनि क्षमतावान मान्छेहरू छन् होला भनेर बुझ्नु नै लिडरसिप हो, नम्बर 1। नम्बर 2, यदि मैले बुझाउन सकिनँ भने बाहिरबाट मान्छे लिएर आएर भए पनि बुझाउँछु। तपाईँको उद्देश्य भनेको तपाईँले बुझाउने होइन क्या, तपाईँको उद्देश्य भनेको बुझाउने हो। चाहे तपाईँले बुझाउनुहोस् चाहे बाहिरको मान्छेले बुझाओस्, बट बुझाउने हो किनकि ओभरअल क्लबलाई र संस्थालाई चाहिँ राम्रो गरोस् भनेर। सो इफ यु आर डुइङ सच, ह्याट्स अफ टु यु। यो तपाईँले चाहिँ गरेको काम एकदमै राम्रो हो, किनभने सधैँ आफैले गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने छैन। कहिलेकाहीँ बाहिरको मान्छे आएर बोलिदिँदा र भनिदिँदा त्यसलाई अझै वेटेज हुन्छ। Situational leader र one of the most successful leaders in the world are situational leaders, जसले चाहिँ सिचुएसन अनुसार अड्याप्ट गर्न खोज्छ। सो यस, कुनै हार्ड एन्ड फास्ट रुल छैन लिडरसिपमा। सो मित्रजी, आई रियली अग्री टु वाट यु सेड। इफ यु क्यान नट कन्भिन्स, you need to seek help of people who can convince other people, and that is one of the aspects of a true leader. So thank you so much. With this we have come to the end of my session. As a mero session yahi nai sakyo, so once again I will repeat one last thing. Number 1, improve your listening ability. Number 2, improve your speaking ability. That means storytelling देखि लिएर experience sharing देखि लिएर data हरु देखि लिएर हैन, वा चाहिँ रिसोर्स पर्सन्सहरुको वा साइटेसनहरु शेयर गर्न चाहिँ नडराउनुहोस्। नम्बर 3, sometimes no matter how hard you try, you still wouldn't be successful, and that's okay. And last but not the least, do not debate, discuss, and come with a solution in unison. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. Back to you, Sukriti.
Thank you, Saurabh Lohani sir, for your valuable presence. We had an extremely useful session. We have learned a great deal and are very much indebted to you. I'm sure this session definitely gave all our participants valuable ideas on building consensus. On behalf of our organizing committee, I would like to provide you a virtual token of love. I would like to request technical team to present token of love. Technical team, would you please present the token of love? Okay, thank you everyone. With this, we have come to the end of this session. Thank you for your valuable presence. See you in the next session.
Thank you, everyone. Bye. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was great having you.